Welcome back to Apple Insider, your trusted spot for everything tech. Today, we're diving into one of the most talked about foldable smartphones of the year, the Oppo Flexy R1. Oppo has been making waves with innovation and design, and the Flexy R1 feels like their boldest move yet. It's sleek, futuristic, and promises to blend practicality with style in ways that push the boundaries of what a smartphone can do. In this in-depth review, we'll take a keynote-style journey through each major aspect of the device so you can get the clearest picture of whether this phone is worth your attention and your money. Let's get started. First up, number 1, the design and build quality. The Oppo Flexy R1 is an absolute head-turner. From the moment you pick it up, you can tell Oppo has paid obsessive attention to detail. The hinge mechanism is solid and smooth, with zero wobble or creaks, and it folds shut with a satisfying click. Unlike older foldable devices that felt fragile or experimental, this phone feels premium and reassuring in the hand. The back is made of a high-grade matte finish that resists fingerprints, while the edges curve elegantly without compromising grip. Its slim profile makes it surprisingly comfortable to use even when unfolded, and the symmetry of the folded form means it doesn't feel awkward in the pocket. Oppo also claims the Flexy R1 hinge has been tested for more than 400,000 folds, and that level of durability gives you confidence that this isn't just a concept device, it's a daily driver. Every detail, from the polished frame to the tactility of the buttons, screams flagship quality. Moving on to number 2, the display. This is where the Flexy R1 truly shines, quite literally. The inner foldable screen is a 7.9-inch AMOLED panel with a stunning 2K resolution and a 120Hz refresh rate. Colors pop with vibrancy, blacks are deep and inky, and the brightness level is strong enough to comfortably use outdoors even under direct sunlight. Oppo has done a fantastic job minimizing the crease. While it's still faintly visible at certain angles, it's nowhere near as distracting as earlier foldables. The outer cover display is no slouch either, featuring a 6.4-inch AMOLED screen with the same refresh rate and crisp resolution, so you don't feel like you're compromising when using the phone folded. Scrolling feels butter smooth, animations are fluid, and videos look cinema-like thanks to HDR10+ support. Whether you're gaming, streaming Netflix, or multitasking with multiple windows open, the Flexy R1's display experience is immersive and polished. Now, number 3, performance. Under the hood, the Oppo Flexy R1 is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chip paired with up to 16GB of LPDDR5X RAM. This combination means blazing fast speed, effortless multitasking, and console-level gaming performance. Apps launch instantly, switching between heavy tasks feels seamless, and graphically demanding games run at maximum settings without hiccups. What's equally impressive is how well Oppo has optimized the cooling system. The device doesn't overheat easily, even during long gaming sessions or while running multiple apps in split-screen mode. 5G connectivity is rock solid, and Wi-Fi 7 support ensures lightning-fast data transfers. If you're someone who pushes your device to the limits, the Flexy R1 can handle it with ease. Oppo has also included UFS 4.0 storage, so loading times are next to nothing, and the overall system feels snappy and future-ready. On to number 4, the camera. Foldables often compromise on camera hardware due to design limitations, but Oppo clearly refused to cut corners here. The Flexy R1 features a triple lens setup with a 50-megapixels main sensor, a 48-megapixels ultra-wide, and a 64-megapixels telephoto lens with 5x optical zoom. Photos are sharp, detailed, and vibrant across all lighting conditions. The main camera captures excellent low-light shots with Oppo's advanced AI night mode, delivering clean images without excessive noise. The ultra-wide maintains color consistency and sharpness, and the telephoto offers versatility for portraits and distant subjects. What's even more exciting is how the foldable form factor enhances camera use. You can prop the phone halfway open like a mini tripod for stable long-exposure shots or video recording. The inner display also doubles as a massive viewfinder, making framing shots more engaging. Video recording supports up to 8K resolution, and stabilization is impressively smooth. Selfies are equally impressive thanks to a high-resolution front camera that uses AI beautification without overdoing it, making every shot natural yet enhanced. Next, number 5, battery life. Foldables usually raise eyebrows when it comes to endurance, but Oppo has tackled this smartly. The Flexy R1 packs a 5000 mAh dual-cell battery that adapts intelligently depending on whether you're using the outer display or the inner foldable screen. With moderate use, you can easily get a full day out of it, and with light use, it can stretch into the next. For power-hungry users, the standout feature is Oppo's 100W Super VOOC fast charging. Plug it in, and you're looking at a 50% charge in under 15 minutes and a full charge in about 35. It also supports 50W wireless charging and 10W reverse wireless charging, so you can juice up your earbuds or even another phone in a pinch. The combination of battery efficiency, fast charging, and wireless convenience makes the Flexy R1 one of the most well-rounded foldables in terms of power management. Number 6. Software and features. The Oppo Flexy R1 runs on ColorOS 15, which is based on Android 15, and it's tailored beautifully for the foldable experience. Multitasking is fluid, allowing you to drag and drop apps into split screen or floating windows. Oppo has included smart gestures, like swiping down with 2 fingers to quickly open split view, or dragging content across screens. The app continuity is seamless. You can start browsing on the outer screen and continue right where you left off as you unfold the device. There are also enhanced productivity tools like Flex Mode, which automatically adjusts the UI when the phone is half open, perfect for video calls or watching YouTube while checking messages. Security is robust with under-display fingerprint recognition and advanced facial unlock. Oppo also emphasizes AI integration, with tools like Smart Translation in split-screen mode and AI-powered photo editing. Overall, the software experience is intuitive, polished, and adds real value to the foldable form factor instead of feeling gimmicky. Finally, number 7, value for money. Foldable phones are still expensive, but the Oppo Flexy R1 aims to justify its price tag. Compared to competitors like Samsung's Galaxy Z Fold series, Oppo delivers a device that feels more refined, less experimental, and packed with flagship-grade features across the board. You're not just paying for the foldable display, you're getting a top-tier camera system, blazing fast performance, premium build quality, and a software experience designed to make full use of the form factor. For those who want cutting-edge technology and are willing to invest, the Flexy R1 feels like a complete package that doesn't skimp on essentials. While it may still be out of reach for budget buyers, for tech enthusiasts and professionals who value both style and substance, this phone feels worth every penny. So, to wrap this up, the Oppo Flexy R1 is more than just another foldable, it's a statement. Oppo has managed to balance innovation with practicality, creating a device that looks futuristic yet feels reliable for daily use. The design is premium, the displays are breathtaking, performance is top-notch, cameras are versatile, battery life is dependable, software is intuitive, and the overall value stands strong against its competition. It doesn't feel like a compromise, it feels like a glimpse into the future of smartphones that's already here. If you're ready to step into that future, the Oppo Flexy R1 should absolutely be on your radar. Thanks for watching. This has been AppleInsider, and if you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Until next time, stay inspired by innovation.